Hello, this is my review of the COMFEE dishwasher. Model number that I'm looking at is KWH-FD1435E-X. Okay, so it gets my dishes clean, which is good, but it does have some annoying bits to it. Well, today it hasn't dissolved the soap that we put in there, which is not that unusual. But the thing that really annoys me with this dishwasher is the mountain range in the top of the dishwasher, so that when you try to fill it, things just tend to fall over. So there you go. You can just see that really easily falls over, and then as things get added, they just fall over. Really annoying. And that's it, really. Generally, dishwasher actually gets stuff clean, but the mountain range in the top of it means that you keep having to stack your cups the right way up again because they fall over.
So I have decided to make this video just to prove that the dishwasher came with a few smashes. So you can see that one here. I don't know what caused that. And you can see here as well, somehow, yeah, it's not perfect here. It looks like that the door went to the left side and it's not aligned with the rest of the dishwash. And then here as well, you can see here, yeah, it's full of problems. You can see here as well. And then it came with this screw at the top, which is quite odd. And then I went to find out, I'm going to show you that the lid here at the top is not actually attached. It came open, and then this was broken as well. So you can see I haven't even unpacked the dishwash yet, and we got this here as well, which is quite sad because we were really excited with this dishwasher, but
where that one had that lump on the shoulder, when he got there, he wouldn't go in.
Here is my dishwasher. As you can see, this is the brand COMFEE and it's absolutely brilliant. As you can see, this is my lower rack. My cutleries and everything are here, and then my dishes, as you can see, they are spick and span. And then in the top rack I have put all my bowls and everything. You can see how clean they are, and here are the rest of the like cups and mugs. Here I have the glasses, and these are my lids. They are absolutely clean. I am super happy with this dishwasher.
All the way to the left. All the way to the left. To supposedly reduce the tension. Start to come out now, that screw. And just like that.
It was 17 minutes past 10 on the 2nd. Just got the dishwasher delivered about over an hour ago, and I've just noticed that the door is bent and there's a crack